Imagine waking up and checking your phone for messages or watching a quick video. You order breakfast and make a digital payment with just a few simple taps. It seems effortless, but have you ever wondered where all this information actually goes? Data does not just vanish into the cloud, it travels to a massive facility. Welcome to the digital factories that power our entire modern world, the data center. This is a series uncovering the technology and engineering behind our vital digital infrastructure. Let us begin by asking, what exactly is a data center? A data center is much more than just a room filled with humming computers. It is a highly secure facility designed to store, process, and distribute digital information. Think of these buildings as the central brain of our entire digital world. Every website you visit and every email you send is processed inside these halls. Every online purchase and every cloud application relies on these powerful systems. Every single AI request is handled within these specialized, high-tech facilities. If factories manufacture physical products, data centers manufacture the services we use daily. Without these digital factories, modern civilization would simply come to a grinding halt. But what actually exists inside one of these massive, mysterious buildings? Inside, you will find thousands, sometimes hundreds of thousands of powerful servers. High-speed networking equipment connects everything in a complex web of data. Massive storage systems hold the collective knowledge of our global society. Power distribution units ensure that electricity flows constantly to every single rack. Uninterruptible power supplies and massive battery rooms act as a vital safety net. Massive transformers hum with energy, ready to power the facility at all times. Advanced cooling systems work tirelessly to keep the hardware from overheating. Fire protection and security systems guard the infrastructure from any potential threat. Everything works together 24 hours a day, 365 days a year. This constant effort ensures your digital life never stops for even a second. Data centers are the silent engines powering almost every aspect of our lives. They support artificial intelligence, cloud computing, and essential online banking services. Healthcare systems and airline networks depend on this infrastructure to function correctly. Government services and e-commerce platforms rely on them to stay operational. Even the video you are watching right now is delivered from a data center. The larger our digital world becomes, the more critical these facilities are to us. Today, a new force is causing data centers to expand faster than ever before. That force is the rapid and exciting evolution of artificial intelligence. Training large AI models requires an absolutely enormous amount of computing power. It demands thousands of high-performance GPUs working in perfect synchronized harmony. This requires massive electrical infrastructure to support the heavy load. Advanced liquid cooling systems are now becoming standard to manage the heat. Entire facilities are now being designed specifically to cater to AI needs. The future of artificial intelligence depends entirely on the future of data centers. This is only the beginning of our deep dive into this world. In the next episode, we will explore the different types of data centers. We will look at enterprise facilities and the scale of colocation centers. We will also examine hyperscale data centers and the rise of edge computing. Each one plays a unique and vital role in powering our digital world. If you are curious about technology, engineering, or the future of infrastructure, stay tuned. Subscribe to the Corporate Business World to follow this journey with us. Join us as we go further, deeper, and truly inside the data center world. We have only scratched the surface of how these digital giants operate. Stay curious as we prepare to uncover the next layer of technology. The digital world is vast, and we are here to map it out. Thank you for watching this introduction to our new series. Keep an eye out for our next episode coming very soon. We will continue to explore the backbone of the modern internet. Your support helps us bring these complex topics to life. Prepare to see the digital world in a completely new light. The evolution of the internet is happening right before our eyes. Data centers are the foundation of everything we do online. Stay tuned for more insights into this fascinating industry. See you in the next episode of Inside the Data Center World.